I bet you've been in the same boat I am, where you've got this challenge that you've been thinking about for months. You walk by it and you walk by it and you're like, how am I gonna make that happen? Here's my challenge today. Sugar maple and then a beech crossing it. Both fell in a big ice storm this winter. To me, this is firewood. There's a couple problems here. The path is way up there to get here, and this is on a hill like this. All right, I packed a bunch of stuff. So my challenge today is to try and get 8-foot lengths of that beech up onto this trail. So one of my best friends, he heats his house with wood, and I'm like, well, I love cutting wood, and I got a bunch of it. So he needs 16-inch lengths. So I'm thinking cut 8-footers and then take them up to the yard, cut it into 16s and split them. But the logging trail is up here. So I went to that dangerous store, the one with the coupons in the catalog. I picked up this, and I picked up this. I got this from a project. I've got 2 hanks of this. I got this cool strap. So what I want to do is, using pulleys, I want to grab the 8-foot pieces, put a pulley up there, and drag them out with this. I have seen way too many people with a chainsaw wearing shorts and a t-shirt, okay? Don't do that. So my plan here is to cut 8-footers all the way down and then haul it up. Do not underestimate little saws. They're just easier to crawl around on hills and stuff. A little progress here. This is about to roll to me. I thought it would, I'm on a hill. I thought it would roll the other way, so, and there's a rock on the other side. This is just a very cool, it's a pulley, but the top part splits open so you can put a rope in there. Nice. A nylon strap I got. It's the smallest one I could find. And then I have what are called D-rings on here. And this is a plastic nylon rope, which I'm not sure is strong enough, but I'm gonna try it and see what happens. So, screw this in. Don't drop these. That'll work. I have a winch on front of my quad. But the rope that is spooled in here right now is not, I just don't know how strong it is, and I know it's old. So I may try, actually, let's try hooking it up to here, go through the pulleys and hook up to here. And if not, we'll tie it to the tailgate, the tow hitch on the back, and power through. All right, I got this out. Rope, GoPro, goes up there to the pulley. Stuck behind a stone. Hold on. Could it be that simple? I mean, I'm all about, hey, let's try this and see what happens. And this is very much what do we got to lose? We get to be in the woods, chainsaws, winch, quad, pulleys, rope. You know, what the heck? The worst we can do is fail. And we learn when we fail. There, it's moving. Ah, the suspense. Okay, the quad moved a little bit forward, and look what I just did. Uh-oh. That is not good. Did I bend that bar? I can't tell. Oh man. This is so close. Oh, I think this will do it. This will come up. So I'm running out of, my winch rope is almost in, so I'm gonna try and back this up. But my trailer's connected, so. I don't know if you ever tried to back up a quad with a trailer on it, but it's not the easiest thing. The shorter the tongue, the shorter the trailer, the harder this is actually. So I'm just gonna disconnect it and push it back. I know you're waiting for that to go down the hill, aren't you? It's not going to. Come on, it just has to go free. Almost there. Look at that. Oh, this is like slow motion tension. How cool is that? I've been thinking about this. I've been walking on this trail with my wife and our dogs, and I'm like, how do I get that out of there? This is the biggest one, so this is proof that we can do it. So the smaller ones, the rest of this is gravy. So let's spend some more time together. There should be a video too floating right here. More of my world. I'll see you over there. Make it a great day.